witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. Jurassic World.
Hello everyone, I'm Allison, Jurassic World's lead ranger, and I have the privilege of overseeing all of our park's dinosaurs. From babies to fully grown dinosaurs, I know them all. And it's my pleasure to be in charge of your VIP tour of the island today. Welcome to Jurassic World.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are now...
And when you step through them, you'll start your adventure back in time.
Dinosaurs can't reach. Like many long-necked dinosaurs or sauropods, Brachiosaurus spent most of her time searching and foraging for food. In order to keep 56 metric tons of Brachiosaurus on the go, she has to consume between 200 and 400 kilograms of leaves and other vegetation daily. If you wanted to eat like a Brachiosaurus, you would have to devour nearly 5,000 salads every This area is often a gathering point for many of our
Baby Terry, and Terry is only 3 weeks old, so she is very young. Now I know she's very cute, but unfortunately you can't touch her. She has a very sharp beak, and she hasn't quite figured out that our fingers are friends and not food. It's actually a pterosaur. So behind you, you have Barbara, the brachiosaur. She is a dinosaur because she walks on land.
Used as a round at the end of the day. But there she is, right? Okay. Hello. Now she's actually only 5 years old. You can't really see her height, but they're only about 5 foot. Oh yeah. Not too tall. But they do run as fast as an ostrich. Very good, Now the scientific term for the teeth on her tongue is called oral pascula, which means it helps shred and tear the thick leafage all through in the Jurassic environment. And she doesn't need wolf it down. They can eat very quickly.
Absolutely, please do.
Our baby Parasaurolophus is just about to disappear, folks. She'll be here for another minute, maybe 30
Times are changing. Feel free to move on towards. I knew it.
Yes. The first of all, Velociraptor 2. Blue, who is the most amazing specimen that we have. As it does start with dinosaurs, especially when we go into the next room for Blue's training session.
Maybe pass, and then you can join us in the training for the next time. Australia is here, guys. Everyone give him a nice big wave, say hello, and we'll get the show on the road.
Here, our scientists, rangers and handlers work with velociraptors, gaining an insight into how they think, move and hunt. Let's learn more about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family, who first appeared in the Jurassic period and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue. Here, Blue. Come. Blue. Keep your eyes here. On me. Steady, Blue. Steady. All right, Blue. We're moving to your right. My left. We're good. And now, let's move to your left. My right. Good, Blue. Good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down, stay right there. Good, good. Eyes on me. Blue, here, watch it. Good, good. And we're moving. Eyes up. Now go.
About the fossils through here to our lovely ranger Josh. He's done an entire degree.
Giant spikes and large oval plates of bone known as osteoderms, similar to those on crocodiles and armadillos. Her skin is covered in keratin, the same strong fibrous protein that's in your hair and nails. Even her eyelids are armored, making her a very difficult cretaceous meal, even for the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. And to top it all off, her 2-liter dinosaur hybrid.
That is you know what? You're really excited. Well, yes, this is baby Bumpy, and we know what type of dinosaur she is. I see her hand up. That is very true. That is, her big tail over there would give you a nasty. And she is a hub. Also got nothing to worry about here apart from the tail. Don't forget the tail. So we can actually stroke baby Bumpy over here. So if we like to stroke baby Bumpy, show me your hands. Put them up. You're under arrest. No, flip them around. I'm going to use the back of our hands on the top of her little head there.
I was going to sneeze.
Oh, bless you. Eugene here is actually allergic to Bumpy, which is ironic really, as he's her trainer. So come on down and Eugene here so that you guys can stroke her and say hello. Now this is a perfect time to take photos, folks. Don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity.
I'm so sorry.
Now, baby Bumpy here is going to get a lot bigger. Bumpy does here with her tail. So yes, if I was the head, Charles would be baby Bumpy's tail when she's bigger. So she's going to be very, very big. As we can probably see, and if we're stroking her field, she is covered. Charles, you can stop now. See that? She is covered in this full body armor.
that's in her hair and nails. Even her eyelids are armored, making her a very difficult contagious meat, even for the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. And to top it all off, her 2-meter-long tail is tipped with a large club-like protrusion, and she uses to swipe at the legs of predators. And hit by an Ankylosaurus.
Exhibit, this is something a little bit meatier. Excuse the pun. You might have seen that big chunk of meat up on that hook. We prepared it earlier, ready for the feeding show. So, you are about to meet one of Jurassic World's largest carnivores. Good luck. Don't know why you're laughing. Good. Well, we made it, folks. There we go. Now, you are moving on through to the Gyrosphere Valley. It's a lot
This is probably the best known dinosaur of all time. This gave our scientists great deal of background and a sequel to basically recreate the carnivore down to the last detail. And we could not have been more pleased with the results. The bite of our Dinosaurs rex is unnatural. This carnivore can open its jaws 80 degrees wide and slam down with a force of up to 34,500 newtons. She can consume over 140 kilograms of flesh every day. And thanks to her extra powerful endocrines, Tyrannosaurus rex can throw a 50-kilogram chunk of meat in the air and engage in a terrifying behavior called inertial feeding. Unrivaled power, instinct-driven, and acutely sensitive to movement and sense. Tyrannosaurus rex is truly the queen of the dinosaurs.
Yes, very well done. So she is just a baby velociraptor. She's only 3 weeks old, hence her size right now. The fact she fits nicely into Johnny's arms. Now, does anyone know why she is different to other babies you met today? Aha, well that's a very important question too. So, a few reasons. Johnny has these nice thick gloves on, so of course that's going to not really tempt her too much because her fingers aren't waving in her face or anything. But also, velociraptors are really, really intelligent, so they can form bonds with humans. Of course, you might have seen Blue and her trainer. they have a good bond, and of course he's not going to turn too much. Gamma the same with Johnny and myself. We've obviously got that bond with her now. Now we can form those bonds because they're super, and then pop your hand back in the centre and close it to a fist. Yeah, perfect. So in a few seconds we're going to open it nice and wide, okay? So we're going to stretch it open in 3, 2, 1. Stretch it nice.
Brilliant. What do we do? Okay. Nobody move a muscle. Just stay where you are, okay? Remain calm. And don't turn your back to the T-Rex. Oh, hello. I'll tell you something, Ben. She's fine. She's them teeth need a good scrub. Okay, okay, let's just try and get the people out of here. Dom, oh, Ben. The power's off. Yes, I know. What are you trying? The backup generator. Okay. What gate is this? Gate number what? Gate 74. There you go. Gate 74. Okay, so when Benji does have this gate open, we need to all head on through. Let's go. Okay, come on, guys. Follow Benji. Right, inside, everyone. You're doing great, folks. Keep on moving, okay? The good news is this electric fence is back online now, okay? So if she tries to get close to us, she will get a pretty big shock. Benji! Benji! Oh! Distractor! Get distractor, go! Hey! Tom, it's working. Yeah, I know, but keep it up, get them out. Yeah, that's fine. Well, it worked. That was exciting. Let's get you out of here. Fine. Hey! Back off! That's one guy you survived. You're so good. Get out of here, guys. Save yourself. Oh, we understand that. This is a large dinosaur, not a goldfish. Benji, go ahead. Come on, mate.
Oh yeah, down here. Sorry, darling. Thank you. These are the only bamboo.